This is a video I hoped I'd never have to make. I want to start off by saying a massive thank you to Motor Madness and all the other channels who have helped share this story. On the 8th of January 2019, Alan Petras, also known as MotoTurtle, was killed in a collision involving him, his motorcycle and a lorry. For those of you who watch these compilation channels, you would have no doubt seen some of Alan's content. Our thoughts with his family and friends at this time. There's no words I can say that can sum up what kind of guy he was. He was such a laid-back guy, and even after talking to him for like 2 minutes, it felt like you were old friends.
See, the thing about MotoTurtle is he's the kind of guy that you can meet straight away, and you can chat, like, you can just get along with each other, like you've known for years. It's easy talking to him.
He left an impression on anyone he met. For those of us who knew him off the bike as well, they will 100% agree.
Do it!
In the description of this video, there will be 2 specific links. One goes to Alan's YouTube channel, and the other one goes to a GoFundMe that was set up by a friend to help his parents with the funeral arrangements. If you'd like to contribute financially, then do feel free. But if you're unable to, then please just do give it a share. We understand this money can never replace him, but it can help give him a good send-off. MotoTurtle loved making videos, and he loved his bikes. Our community will never be the same without him. I'd like to say thank you again to Motor Madness and every channel helping to share his story. And also thank you for listening. Alan, mate. Ride free. We'll miss you. And for the love of God, don't break the fuel pumps up there as well.
Recording again.
Yeah, man, you should.
I'm such a mechanic. Stop bringing me down.
You bring yourself down with these broken parts.
I think not.
Is that a broken bit of plastic? Everything is broken.
Everything is broken on the bike.